Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can insert a bulleted list to your documents and pages in Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your workspace on Microsoft Loop. Access your page. I will go with this one. Let me scroll to the very bottom and start a new line here. And where you see the command, just start typing, enter the command / and then simply enter bulleted list. Select the suggestion and start adding items to your bulleted list, like item number 1, item number 2, press enter to skip to the next line, and so on and so forth. And option number 2, guys, would be to simply skip to a new line again. But instead of using that typing feature, you may click into that plus button and look if the bulleted list is amongst these suggestions. Select it and start a new bulleted list. That's it. You may also use the tabulator key on your keyboard to indent. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.